Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a great day. I'm back again. This time we're sharing a card kit from Spellbinders, and it's a big one. This is Spellbinders Handmade Holidays card kit for 2024. If you're familiar with Spellbinders, last year they had another holiday card kit that was just amazing, and I thought we would go over the kit contents really fast, and we're going to create some cards using it. It's been a minute since I created with Spellbinders card kits. This is how it's packaged when it arrives, just like a Christmas present. Inside this lovely kit with candy cane sides, you get a brochure, you get some inspiration. On the bottom it tells you everything that's in the kit, but I'm going to tell you too, just in case you guys want to know. Let's see, you get, oh my goodness. Okay, let's create some larger cards today. How exciting. Let's see, this is, you get 12 5x7s and then you get 13 A2. So 25 card bases, and there's envelopes to go with it. We may just create some cards using the 5x7. We haven't did that with the card kit. How about that? Okay, we have some specialty cardstock. This is a paper pack. 14 sheets. There's 14 smooth pieces of cardstock. You get 2 gold foil and 2 silver foil. And let me see if they are the double-sided. Yes. You guys are new. Spellbinders used to have card kits, and they always used to put the gold foil in there and the silver foil. They actually sell it at the shop, but they always used to come in the card kits. I'm going to take the rest out so it's not so noisy. Okay, I think there's a stamp set in here. And there is, with beautiful sentiments. Look how pretty this sprig is. That's just gorgeous. I love all these greetings. So, so pretty. Okay, there's a stamp set. You get some beautiful gems. These look like they're rose gold. 3 different sizes. You get some stickers with gold foiling. And there looks like there's a lot in here. Let's take a look. And these are not just thin stickers. There's a little bit of tooth to them, a little bit of heavy weight to them, which is lovely. And you get 2 sheets. So this is just the backing so they don't get bent. Beautiful. I love the stamps. Okay, so you get some stickers. You get lots and lots of ephemera. This ephemera pack has kind of a sketchy look. Let me see what they're calling it. This says die cut floral shapes. So all the shapes in here are florally. Kind of has a sketchy look to them, or a watercolory look. Beautiful. So you can go with themes. And then this pack has a more playful look. Lots of greetings, candy canes and such, snowflakes. So 2 different pack presents, 2 different packs of ephemera. You get some chipboard stickers, front and back, with some frames on the bottom. I really like the joy here. That's pretty. So you get chipboard stickers. You also get some sequins or some confetti. Beautiful. These are, you get some puffy stickers. These are puffy stickers that don't smush. So they're kind of nice because they'll hold their shape. And I like that there's gold, there's red, white even. Beautiful puffy stickers. And then there's also a full-size 6x6 paper pad. This is the Handmade Holidays, and I think Spellbinders actually sells this separately. I think I saw gold detail. Look how pretty. There is gold detail on the paper. And it's just, and look at how pretty that is. You can kind of see the gold detail. Oh, I really like that. I really like that with that. There's gold detail in here. Oh my goodness, how fun is this? Stripes I love. That has distressed look. I love the prints. Beautiful. Love all these pattern papers. And I think you get 2 of each pattern. So 40 sheets. So how nice is that? So full paper pad, look how thick it is. And that is the Handmade Holidays Christmas kit. I'm going to trim down some pattern papers and we're going to jump in and create some cards. For my first card, we're going to make a 5, actually both cards today are 5x7s. I was super excited about this. I have a piece of the pattern paper. This measures 4 1/8 by 6 inches tall. We're going to go ahead and layer this on our card base. Once we have this adhered, I also have a piece of the candy cane pattern paper. This has gold bows on there, which is so pretty. I'm going to mat this on some of our silver cardstock. And we are going to... Typically I don't like gold and silver together. But I kind of had... I know I wanted shine, but I didn't want the bold color of the gold. You see the difference? I think the silver's a little bit more toned down. So we're going to go ahead and add this to our card. And then I have a 1.5 inch strip of red cardstock that came in our cardstock pack. I'm going to go ahead and fishtail the bottom. Okay, and then I'm going to place it where I'm going to place this right down the center. I'm going to place it where I want it to go, and then I'm going to trim away what's overhanging. I'm doing this because we're going to pop this up. I'm going to place this, it's not glued down yet, but I'm going to place it here for reference. And then I did die cut out a piece of vellum because I'm going to put it behind this ephemera piece. This ephemera piece came in our die cut pack. We're going to use this die cut pack for both of our cards today. But I'm going to layer it here, but I am going to flip it around and pop it up with some foam tape. So if you don't like dimension, you can completely skip this step. I'm going to place this in the center. Okay, and then I'm going to flip this around, and I'm going to place 2 foam squares right in the center. Okay, and then we're going to pop it up and place it on that banner, and I'm going to place it right in the center. Okay, I'm going to flip this over. We're going to put foam tape right down this strip and then on the sides here. I did double up with these foam squares so that everything is nice and flush. And then I'm going to place this back in the center of my card base. After we have this done, we are going to bring in our chipboard stickers. And I thought we would put the 25 right in the middle of our wreath here. So to do this, I'm going to add some smaller foam squares. Wonderful. I'm bringing in our puffy stickers that aren't puffy, and we're going to add some holly. I'm going to punch out that center piece. And I'm going to add some holly just above the bow here. And then there's some berries, so we're going to add 3 berries here. And I think I'm going to switch out the holly leaves for the pine needles. Yes, I'm going to switch out the holly leaves for pine needles. I think the pine needles look better. Okay, we're going to finish off this card. We're going to bring in some of our gems. And we're going to add some of the smaller ones. And that will finish off my first card. Okay, I'm going to jump in to my next card. Okay, for my next card, we have some of our cardstock. This measures 4.5 inches wide by 6.5 inches tall. I'm going to go ahead and layer this on the front of my card base. And again, for this card, we're going to create a 5x7. Next, I have some more pattern paper. We're going to layer this right in the center. I have a panel of white cardstock this time. This is 3 inches wide by 5 inches tall. What we're going to do is layer some of this pattern paper and some of the stripe paper. This is a 3-inch wide by 2-inch tall strip of the distressed stripe paper. I'm layering it on some white cardstock just for a little bit of extra stability. And then I'm going to layer my print right below it. Okay, I'm gonna clean up the edge here with my paper trimmer. Okay, and then I'm gonna mat this on a piece of that silver mirror cardstock, and it's gonna be slightly bigger than this panel, just a little bit. I want just a little bit of that silver peeking out. So we're just matting this. Okay, I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to put foam tape behind here, and then we're going to adhere it right to the center of this here. After we have this adhered, I do have a piece of vellum. The vellum measures 2.5 inches wide by 3.5 inches tall. Okay, what I'm going to do with the vellum is take our puffy stickers, and I'm going to add Merry and Bright, or I think I want to add 'Tis the Season. Okay, now it did take a little bit of time, but you know what, if you line it up on your vellum on the grid, if you use the lines on your grid mat to help align the letters, it takes you no time at all. Okay, so we have 'Tis the Season. Now I'm going to use my tape runner, and I'm going to add some adhesive at the very top of my vellum, and then I'm going to layer this towards the bottom here. Now it's not going to go all the way up, and that's okay. You see, after we have this done, I am going to bring in a piece of foliage from our die cut pack. I'm going to pop this up with some foam tape. And I'm going to layer it right across the seam. Wonderful. Okay, and in our die cut pack, I thought I saw some little birds, some little cardinals. I thought we would add some cardinals here, but I'm going to add a foam square behind them. And we're going to add a few little cardinals. We'll put one on the S. I think that's cute. Okay, after we have this done, now we're going to bring in wonderful. And that will finish off that card. So here's 2 cards that we made today using the Handmade Holidays Christmas Kit from Spellbinders. I hope this gives you a little inspiration on some more Christmas card ideas. Have a fabulous day. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. And if you want to check out that Handmade Holiday Christmas Kit, I'll leave a link down below. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.